Learn more on BBC Bitesize.
Welcome back to BBC Bitesize GCSE Chemistry. In this video, we're going to learn about atoms. I'm Dr. Sunayana Bhargava, astrophysicist, science communicator, and pudding bringer. What? You said we were having plum pudding today. Oh, not that kind? Well, an easy mistake to make. I'm of course talking about the plum pudding model, and dessert will have to wait because today we're diving back into the tiny world of atoms. So, time to get up an atom. Get it? Atom, atom. I'm wasted here. So where are these atoms anyway? Well, you'll need more than this to see them. Atoms are the smallest part of an element. You can learn all about this on my other video or on the BBC Bitesize website. John Dalton believed nothing was smaller than an atom. He published his ideas in the early 1800s and thought atoms were teeny spheres that couldn't be divided. Just like this. Then nearly 100 years later, Thomson discovered the electron. Which brings us back to the plum pudding. Thomson's research led him to suggest the plum pudding model of the atom. He imagined that the atom is a ball of positive charge with negative electrons embedded in it, like currents, in a plum pudding. But in 1909, Ernest Rutherford designed the alpha particle scattering experiment to test this model, which, for the atom fandom, changed everything. You can find out more about Ernie's model on the Bitesize website after this video. Ideas about atoms have changed over time. Just like technology, scientists developed new models as they gathered more evidence. Building on the ideas of what came before, which leads us to Niels Bohr. Ooh, that rhymes. Niels calculated that electrons orbit the nucleus in shells like mini planets around a mini sun. That's anything but a Bohr. Soon after, it was deduced that the nucleus contained small particles called protons. Each proton has a small amount of positive charge, and I am all about those positive vibes. Things didn't just stop there. Like phones, science never stops upgrading. Check out the Bitesize website to find out what models came next. So, what does an atom look like? Well, it's mostly empty space. Imagine a football stadium. The nucleus is right in the center of the pitch, like a football. But if it was tiny and the size of a pea, tiny compared to the atom. Now, what about electrons? To keep the football analogy, if an atom is the stadium and the nucleus is a pea, then electrons are the spectators. They surround the nucleus. They're attracted to the nucleus because electrons are negative and the protons in the nucleus are positive. And whilst most of an atom is empty space, the nucleus holds almost all the mass. If you want to find out more about positive protons and neutral neutrons inside a nucleus, check out the BBC Bitesize website. Hopefully now you'll feel a bit more prepared for your chemistry GCSE. And if you want to find out even more about atoms, why not subscribe to this channel for more videos or head over to the BBC Bitesize website. The link's below. Now, I believe I have a date with some plum pudding.
For in-depth GCSE resources and practice, visit BBC Bitesize now.